Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will show you how to install and use the AIPRM ChatGPT Chrome extension. Now, this extension is great because you can actually get a bunch of different templates. As you can see, it adds a list of curated prompt templates for SEO, SaaS, and more to ChatGPT. So basically, this is a all-in-one, as you can see right here, all-in-one tool or Google Chrome extension that has been used for a lot of different businesses, as you can see right here. So yeah, basically this is how easy it is to start generating like 1 month of blog titles, for example, full original articles, or copy for your service pages. So basically, let's go and let's add this to Chrome. So let's add the extension here. We'll go here and we'll just pin it. And once we go here, as you can see, what we can do is we can just refresh the ChatGPT. And as you can see here, connect OpenAI and AIPRM accounts. So basically, if you don't have the account yet, you can create one for free. So make sure to create one for free. You'll need to just go here and you need to sign in, connect with your Google account. So as you can see, once we connected the account, this is how it's going to look like right here. You have favorites right here. Obviously, again, we need to connect OpenAI and AIPRM accounts in order to go and use this. But as you can see, you can go here and you can click on each of these and it will generate what it says that it will generate. So for example, we have Mid-Journey Prompt Generator. It outputs 4 extremely detailed mid-journey prompts for your keyword. Then you have YouTube Script Creator. Create captivating script ideas for your YouTube videos. Enter a short description of your video and then generate title, scene, and entire script. You can add a public prompt right here. Now you can also go to public prompts, AIPRM quotes or prompts, sorry, and then you can go to hidden as well. And all you have to do is just go here and preview. You have 4,000 free prompts right here. This is a free prompt library. And all you have to do is, again, if we click here to own, all you have to do is, or AIPRM, we can go here and just go and continue and connect our OpenAI and AIPRM account. So that's how easy it is to install and use the AIPRM ChatGPT Chrome extension. So if you have any questions or comments, comment down below and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.